till now we have seen the PCH related two major signals, that is SLP S5 and SLP S4. Now the time is for S3 hash. This is the most important signal because using this only we are getting two major voltages. What are those? We will discuss in today's video. See, now the SIO underscore SLP underscore S3 hash has released from the PCH. Next, what it will do? It will go to UC6. It's a 5-leg IC. That as a enable signal it will go, and from that the output will release as all system power good. See, till here what the motherboard will teach is all related basic voltage, always voltage, and what are the RAM related voltage, everything is good. Now you can go forward, means you can release more related voltages. Okay, now all system power good, that is nothing but run power okay. Okay, the name is run power okay. Once this all power good will release, that one will enter to UC7 and we will get the output as VCC-ST power good. Okay, now the system will consider VCC-ST power good. VCC-ST is good. Okay, now the same system power good will go to IO pin number 48. Okay, it will go to pin number 48 of this IO. It means IO got the information, now run power okay is good. So now it's ready to give some more output from the IO. Okay, now the same SLP S3 hash will go to here, you see 9. This is actually AND gate. Okay, AND gate, you know, pin number 1, I mean input, 2 input will be there, 1 output it will give, right? So pin number 1 is the input is high now. Okay, the second one is the SLP S0, we not yet discussed. Okay, so once that comes we'll get the output from here AND gate. Okay, so now SLP S3 it will come and it will be reserved here in UC9. Next what will happen? See, it will enter to UZ3. It's actually dual channel IC. So in one channel 5 volts always will be enter here, and this one, once this SLP underscore S3 and enable signal will come to this particular IC, then this always will convert as 5VS. Okay, now this is the most important voltages. Plus 5VS will generate using this signal. Okay, same thing using this here, 3 volts always will be there, and this one will convert as plus 3VS. Okay, these two are the major voltages. Using this only your SSD, SDD and what so many components will be active, because the main power source from this one only will go, and many signals will go through this signals, I mean these voltages. What are those? In next videos we will discuss. Thank you very much.